another online classes. Students, in previous lecture we learned about our fourth standards math topic subtraction, and we learned in previous lecture subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing, and also we solved a exercise depend on subtopic subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing. So see here, in this lecture we have to learn subtraction of 5-digit numbers by borrowing. Means students, already we learned subtraction of 5-digit number without borrowing, but in this lecture we have to learn subtraction of 5-digit numbers by borrowing. So let's see example. Suppose example is 54,736 minus 36,945, and we have to solve this example. How we solve this example? See here, according to subtraction of 4-digit number, subtraction of 5-digit number is very simple. So see, solution, then arrange given example vertically. 54,736 minus 36,945. Give places, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and last 10,000. Then solve place wise. 6 units minus 5 units. How much? 1 unit. Write down here 1 in units column. Then 3 tens minus 4 tens. Is it possible? No, because 3 is smaller than 4. Therefore here we have to need of taking borrow. Therefore see neighboring place, hundreds place. Here already 700s are available. Untie 100 from this 700 means here remain 6. And see here 3 tens, and here we take the 100s. 100s means 10 tens, and 10 tens plus 3 tens. Here we get 13 tens. 13 tens minus 4 tens, 9 tens. Write down here 9. Then next place 600s minus 900s. Again here solution is impossible because 600 is very smaller than 900. Again take borrow from neighboring place. See here 1000. Here 4000 are available. Untie 1000 for this 4000. Means here remain 3. And 1000 means 1000. 1000 plus 600, here we get 1600. And 1600s minus 900s we get 700s. Then next place, see here thousands place. 3000 minus 6000. Again here 3 is smaller than 6. Therefore we have to need of taking borrow. Here 5 10,000s are available. Untie 1 10,000 from this 5. And 1 10,000 means 10,000 plus here 3,000. We get here 13,000. And 13,000 minus 6,000 we get 7,000. And last 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore our answer is 54,736 minus 36,945 is equal to 17,791. Do you understand, students, up to here? Okay. Now, students, now we have to solve exercise depend on this subtopic. So see here, 2 examples are given. Means I entered here 2 examples from exercise, and remaining example you have to solve in your home. So students, see here, 10,000. Write down here 10,000. Then solve place-wise, very simple. 5 units minus 8 units. How much? Correct. Here 5 is smaller than 8. Therefore, we have to need of taking borrow. See students, see neighboring place, tens place. Here already one tens is available. Untie one tens means push this one tens for units place. Here remain 0 and one tens means 10 units plus here 5 units. We get 15 units. 15 units minus 8 units. How much? 7 units. Write down here 7. Then 0 tens minus 1 tens. Again here 0 is smaller than 1. Therefore we have to need of taking borrow. Untie 100 from this 700 and here remain 600. 100 means 10 tens. Here we get 10 tens. 10 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 9 tens. Next students, 600 minus 600 is equal to 0. See neighboring place. 2000 minus 1000. How much? 1000. Write down here 1. And remaining 4 10,000 minus 2 10,000 is equal to 10,000. Therefore, our answer is 42,750 minus 21,618 is equal to 21,097. Do you understand? Okay, now see next example. 50,709 minus 32,815. For solving this example, give places. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. And solve place wise. 9 units minus 5 units. 4 units. Write down 4 in units column. 0 tens minus 1 tens. Here 0 is smaller than 1. Therefore, we have to need of taking borrow from hundreds place. Therefore, untie 100 from this 700. Here remain 6. And here we get how much? 10. Because 100 means 10 tens. And here no tens is possible. No tens is available. Therefore, we get here 10 tens. 10 tens minus 1 tens. 9 tens. Then next 600 minus 800. Again here see 6 is smaller than 8. Therefore again we have to need of taking borrow. But students here at neighboring place 0 means we have to need of taking borrow from this 10,000. Untie 1 10,000 from this 5 10,000. Here remain 4 and here we get 10. And untie 1,000 from this 10 means here remain 9 and taking 1,000 here we get 60. 1600 minus 800. How much? 800. And next 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore our answer is 50,709 minus 32,815 is equal to, what is our answer? 17,800.